Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell them. We have Deshelled seafood. Finish it now.
Boil. We're gonna dig in. We're gonna tell you what we have, but check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it because I love it. So now we're gonna enjoy.
I went old school, guys. Old school with my outfit.
Look like hip hop music.
Yes.
Shucks. Gotta get this gear because I know I'm going down and dirty today.
Down and dirty. Beard gang
in the building. Okay.
So while my love, he's doing that, I'm gonna tell you what we have. Okay? So we have some sausage, and this sausage is chicken and andouille sausage.
Yes, chicken. That's what she said.
Chicken and andouille sausage from Trader Joe's.
Yep.
Also, we have some corn, some potato, some shrimp, some green lip mussel, eggs, and family. We're gonna dig in.
Yes.
Let me look at my husband. Looks good.
Good. Come up the beard.
Yeah, man.
Come here.
All right.
Hold on. First, because I know today I gotta eat fast because first today eat seafood fast. Here, take a piece. I don't want to drip. Don't drip. I'll wipe it off for you, okay? Here, take a shrimp. Take a shrimp. Here you go.
That looks beautiful.
There you go. All right, good. All right, I can take it now.
Oh gosh.
Family, I'm hungry today. I may not talk.
The last time, thank you, baby, that we had hiccups. Wait, let me drink some water.
Hot man.
Hot man. I like a little bit. The last time we had Deshelled seafood boil was when we did the eat without ruining your lipstick challenge. And if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It was a while ago.
I call it sweet.
Good.
Hi. It's a lot of seafood today. Enjoy it. You know?
So good.
I'm hungry. I ain't got a plate.
Ooh. Let's put it on it. I got the hiccups. Why?
I'm gonna put it.
A napkin? It's still hot.
Here, I'll take a piece of the sausage first. Nice. Don't drop.
Ooh. It's hot.
It's hot. Right here.
And I let it cool off for a while, and it's still piping hot.
It's still hot. Wow. What's this, mussel? Mussel?
If you let mussel.
So laugh at me, says I enjoy. You talking about that trick about the egg? First they know a new trick. This is good as freak.
It's good, honey. Let me tell you guys, so I'm there making the seafood, and you know you gotta boil the eggs separately. So I saw a trick on some onions. No onions in there.
Alright.
I saw a trick on TikTok that you can, instead of peeling the egg the old school way of like taking a spoon or a fork and cracking it and then peeling it back, you crack like just the top part. So this is the egg. So you'll crack like just the top part and a little bit at the bottom. And then you take it and you blow in it. And the egg is gonna pop out of the shell.
She did that. I said, what the hell?
So I went into the room and I said, honey, look. But because Bishi was looking at me like this, like, what the hell are you doing? I kept on laughing, so it wasn't working. So he was like, man, that shiggity don't work. And I was like, yes, it does work. I said, stop making me laugh. Stop looking at me like that. Like I'm crazy. So I finally did it, and it worked.
It worked. Much easier.
Much easier.
Well, boil it, crack a whole one, and go in it.
It's hot man.
Hot man.
Hot man.
Everything up. Yo. That is good. Family, help us.
Taste the sausage.
Taste whatever you want.
Ooh. So good. You know why? You can taste the flavor of the sausage. But it's chicken.
It's chicken.
Like,
I was there when we bought it. It's chicken. First they ain't gonna give me no pork. First they gonna do that to me.
nope.
I want to catch me. That's so key, man. Damn, I thought, and she cool it now? Family.
I cool it down. Oof.
How was your weekend?
Ooh.
That was as good as you see. Eating this lovely seafood.
Ooh. Ooh.
The shrimp is so soaked. Yes. Big gang work.
It works, right?
Perfect though. Hot one.
It's like a difference, right? So when you're eating seafood with the shell on, you have to cut it and eat it, and I love that. But when you're eating a deshelled seafood, you do the work in the beginning, and then now you get to just enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
But you gotta deshell
It's
everything.
still hot though, look at it.
Hot man.
It's hot. When it's hot, I can't enjoy my food.
It don't look like it's messing you up to me.
Good steam. Yeah, too, but it's hot. Nice too. The corn is so sweet.
Ooh, get all that.
Wow.
I can't believe how you were sleeping on having egg when I was seafood boil.
For real.
Gotta let's see some of the lemon juice.
What?
So what they said, they had a good weekend?
Yeah, they said they had a good weekend and now they're glad we're back. Honestly, they always miss us. We miss you too. I know y'all want us to go live,
I know.
but so much going right on. We're just gonna pop up.
We have to.
We're just gonna pop up on y'all, so y'all don't know when we're gonna pop up. I don't know
do
y'all
miss
want
you
to
guys.
We do. I know y'all want to talk to us. We do. Y'all talk to us now, but don't worry. We got a lot of stuff we doing, man.
We even have a new game to play with you guys.
That's right, we got a new game, don't worry.
We got a new game,
We're
family.
gonna set it up, man. Let's keep rocking. You never know.
What?
Black people juice. You never know, family, when we're gonna pop up. But I appreciate you know, your love and your support. We getting there.
Woo.
Pushing for that 5K, huh?
We pushing for it.
Pushing for that 5K.
We had 25. With all your help, you guys can get us there. Just keep on sharing our videos. And if you're new, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. Doesn't make any sense.
So what? I don't subscribe. And then you come back and say, oh, I've been watching for a while. So a lot of food later. Please help us. You ain't eating no potatoes, Tom?
Potatoes is fattening.
Fattening?
I might eat a piece of this one. And it makes you full fast, so. Then you make it in.
It's in there. I'm gonna eat.
We were trying to get some king crab.
Can't buy it. We're gonna be at king crab too expensive.
Too dear. Gotta wait till it drop down. Too dear. They wanted like $60 for 2 claws. No,
We
stop.
ain't got that.
You know how much seafood I can buy for $60?
I know. We ain't got like that.
Shrimps.
Cheap and clean. This does the trick. You know what I'm saying?
It really does. Really, really does.
King crab ain't missing. King crab ain't got nothing on greedy couple. Wow.
You guys like,
Wow, this food is hot, yo.
but it's not too hot.
Nah, hot with steam.
That's the thing. It's not too hot with steam. It was hotter than that, honey.
No, it's hot.
When I took it out of the oven, it was bubbling.
Okay, bubbling now. That's why it's not moving. It's not moving yet. Wow.
What's up? Follow me, man.
They're nice, right? That's all.
Potato's good.
Potato good.
Oh.
Potato hot. I told you.
Potato
I
hot.
think I'm lying about that.
I got me this cool off. Can't name that like that. Got a little spice to it too, no?
It does. Wow.
I didn't put too much pepper though. Oh, that was a question. Do you guys prefer deshelled seafood boiled, or do you guys prefer shelled seafood boiled?
Wow. You know my answer. What's my answer?
It don't matter.
All right.
They all taste good to you.
As long as food.
Stop.
Stop it.
Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it. Wow. That's awesome.
I feel like that's all we can say is
It's hitting.
It came out really good. Yeah.
Just right weapon.
Piece of shell.
Me and yam it, you know.
Can't name that.
Wow. I'm gonna eat.
You was hungry?
Hell yeah.
You not talk to them today?
Seafood.
Oh, you guys saw like my outfit of the day, right? So whenever I wear Reeboks, I remember telling Richie that my father used to always buy me Reeboks, and I had every single color when I was a kid. And Richie went and bought some for me. Every time I wear them, it reminds me of my father.
Every color she get. Look at the first lady, huh?
That was fun.
And nice, look at your feet.
Very cute.
Wow. Family.
The seafood will get lost in here, yeah? Because you would think the seafood is done, but it's not. It's mixing with the sauce.
It's in the sauce, yeah.
I need an egg.
Sauce is good too.
And hot man.
Hot.
Whew.
Hot, but fantastic. First thing I got drink up today. First I drink alkaline water.
Yep. Alkaline water.
Do you like alkaline water? What's your favorite water? First I like alkaline.
I feel like it dropped. Woo.
What?
Man down, man down.
Oh man. Excuse me. Wow. Food nice to my nose I run. One more napkin? Sure.
I have a whole big one right here.
Wow.
See, that's the difference.
Ah.
When eating the deshelled,
Yeah.
you don't get that messy. I'm only using one hand.
Yeah, two.
You gotta use two.
I still need all shrimp. I give you a little shrimp right. Not a lot of shrimp. Not a lot of shrimp coming, so
Whew.
I gave you as much as I can.
You get them a lot?
Yeah, I gave them muscles. I don't think they like muscles like that. Yeah, because they pushing back the muscles to me.
Oh.
See, I'm gonna try again here.
Oh, they push it back now?
Yeah, they push it back now. They got the muscles.
And the shrimp they want.
Shrimp, they want shrimp. They're shrimp lovers. Oh man, the family member missed us going live. Oh man,
I feel bad.
I know. Family, don't worry.
Trust me.
We got y'all, man. Got her. You're trying to take care of some stuff, man. It's rough. Huh? Family? Whoever say YouTube they doing it for fun, that's not true. It's hard.
It could be fun, because we have fun.
Yeah,
but
we
it's
have
still
fun.
work.
Yeah, but I'm talking about in the other aspect. It's not.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. That's a second job.
But that's why you have to enjoy it. Because if you don't enjoy it.
I enjoy eating, you know that. And I enjoy y'all watching, you know that.
So what about me? You
gonna talk too?
You don't enjoy sitting with me?
I see you every day. That's it. See? The next thing, family. I'm with her every day. Every day. And she still said she don't see me. That's weird. Family. That's weird, right?
No, it's
every
not.
single day, and she said she still don't see me.
No, you could be in the same house with somebody. We don't have that issue, but you can be in the same house with somebody and feel like you're alone. Yes.
Just in every day, Mario.
It's not about seeing you. It's about being with you.
So you're not being with me?
But yeah, if you're not having fun doing YouTube, it's gonna feel like work.
Yeah.
It is work. But for us, we're eating, we're talking, we're laughing, having conversation with you guys. So it's fun.
They love the conversation.
And we love the conversation
Yeah, we
too.
love it too. They tell me to stop calling you Chatty Chatty Shanice.
Oh, stop saying it.
May I call her Chatty Chatty Shanice?
And they said it's rude.
No, it's not rude.
It's rude.
Ain't not rude. Oh,
That's why I call him.
No.
That's why I call him Shitty Richie.
Family. I got a story, but next time.
What is the story? Tell me the story.
Come on, we got the keys. I gotta go.
Tell me the
No,
story.
you can't tell the story now.
Because you didn't tell the story a long time now.
Next video. Oh. Hold that thought. Word of wisdom.
Go ahead.
Eat your food. You ate a lot of seafood today.
I sure will.
Family. I know y'all can relate, and I know first you can relate. Ready? Nothing annoys me more than when someone expect you to be okay with something that they wouldn't be okay with if it was done to them.
You're talking my language.
Family, you
Yes.
heard that?
That is a excellent
heard
one.
that?
I can't stand that.
Want me to say that again?
Yes. I can't stand that.
Listen again, family. I was just waiting because I know y'all can relate. You know? Yes, y'all could. All of y'all. Okay. Nothing annoys me more than when someone expects you to be okay with something that they wouldn't be okay with if it was done to them.
Yes, family. Yep. That's really, really, really annoying.
For real, right?
I know you guys can relate to that.
I know you have to relate to that one.
That's why.
I want to see a lot of comments for that one.
Yes.
I know.
Yes.
Yep. That's so true.
That's why I never liked. I do not like that saying, do unto others as you want them to do to you. I don't believe in that. Let me tell you why. Because you can be as nice as you are to somebody and they won't return the favor.
Yeah.
So what's the point of you being nice to them as you want them to do to you, but they never do it to you? So I never liked that saying.
Yeah.
My saying is, I'm gonna do to you what you do to me. Simple. It's not, tit for tat. But if you want to call it tit for tat, that's fine. I call it as, I'm going to treat you the way you treat me. So if you're not going to help me, I'm not going to help you. And that doesn't mean we can't be friends. I just know that you're not going to help me, so I'm not going to help you. Simple as that. I can't scratch your back, and then when I ask you to scratch mine, you kick me. You know.
That's true.
So, and that goes for everything. In a marriage, in a friendship, it doesn't matter. At work, it doesn't matter. It goes for everything.
Well, what do you think about this? If I have my friends, right? Is it my friend should be also your friends?
Hell no.
Okay.
I don't want to be your friend's friend.
Yeah. What do y'all think about that? If you have your friend, right? Explain it further. So,
You did it.
Okay. I think that's not good, right?
Not for me. I can't speak for anybody else, but I don't want to be friends with my husband's friends. I'm good. And my husband doesn't want to be friends with my friends. He's good. You understand? And if I'm your friend, I don't want to be friends with your friend and the other friend. No.
Yeah.
Don't follow me on Facebook.
That's what I'm talking about.
Don't follow me on Instagram. If I'm your friend, I'm only your friend. I'm cordial to your other friends. If you invite them out with us once in a while, no problem. But I'm not going to exchange phone numbers. I'm not going to request them as a friend on Facebook. That's just me. Because if me and you fall out, me and my friend, then everybody else who I got close with who was a part of my friend is going to fall out with me too, because their loyalty is to my friend, not to me. So then now I'm like, now I feel bad. You know? I don't want that. And then you get too much drama like that. You full, mama? Mama.
Full. I already eat up all the stuff that
You full, my love?
Yeah, I mean, I'm up all that stuff already. So what y'all think
You
about
sure
that?
did.
That conversation right there. No?
We're done.
Sauce.
So, I think I'm full.
Cool?
I think I'm full.
Where's that you full? See, this is just sauce. Look at the shrimp.
The shrimp is, I'm telling you, because it's stuck in there. We ate a lot of food though.
Full. They help us a little bit. We appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming through. Chit chat with us. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, we are the Greedy Couple. That's Shanice and this is Richie. I'm not gonna say the next one. They said don't say it. No, but no.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another what? Mukbang.
Conversation.
That's good.
Bye.